Well, hello, how are you? I'm gonna make... Wait, a second, just a second. I'm gonna make it into the sky. And coming back to me, it's raining! Yeah, you know, this greenness over there is not for free. You know, it's raining. So I want to show you today the room that is for nothing. So the room that I have that is for nothing, and I'm gonna make an intro to the sky and show you that I don't have any light. So that's why, because now it's during the day, I can show you this room, and I'm planning this room to be a guest room, so people who are visiting me will sit here, and I'm planning here to have a sofa bed, okay, here to have a cupboard, and here to have a projector, a beamer, and here to have a huge cinema screen. That would be awesome. That would be really cool if I can do it. I don't know if I can do it or not, but yeah, if I can do it, it would be nice. So things that happened today is that I went to work and I didn't eat. So it's 5:30 and I will eat lunch. 5:30. My God, I have like kind of a headache, but in the stomach. I don't know. It's kind of crazy, right? I mean, I like to eat and I eat a lot. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, now I'm making some pasta that I had to take to work, but I didn't. So, and yeah. So nothing else. Thank you for watching. I will put furniture in here soon as I have the car and I can check furniture. And tomorrow I will have internet. Yeah. So that means that tomorrow I'm gonna upload everything. Which, you know, since I'm not uploading every day, I'm losing viewers. So people, because I don't put it in either in Facebook or anything. So please spread the word. I'm back. If now you see that, it's because I'm back online. I mean, I have internet. So yeah. Thank you very much, the Swisscom, for coming. And tomorrow painting also, not the Swisscom, the other people. Other people call me and this. So yeah, that's all. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna get out to the floor and come back to me and tell you and say enjoy your life. I do with mine. Bye.